Hello, thank you for viewing this product. This video is meant to serve as a tutorial for putting this product together, but it will also show you what you can expect from this product package. In this product, you will find 3 printable PDF files. The first file is the passport cover. You may either print the cover with normal paper or cardstock for more durability. Cut the cover out and fold it in half. The second file is the bio even pages. Print this file out, then print the odd pages file on the other side of the paper. If everything's printed correctly, you should have a passport cover, a bio page with stamp slots on the back and the surrounding sides of the paper. There may be another page of slots depending on how many books are in the series. Cut out the pages by following the dotted lines on each paper. Put all the pages in order with the bio page being first in the passport. Don't forget to staple it. Congratulations, you have made the passport for this book series. You can add the stamps to the slots. There's enough slots for every book in the series. Also, don't forget to rate each book in the series by coloring in the stars. Thank you for your interest in our products. Tell your students we said hi from Langua High.